Good day, class. So, today we'll be tackling about the impact of technology tools on productivity and innovations. So, it's created by me. So, shall we start? Okay. So, first, we have the collaboration software. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams helps teams communicate and manage projects in real time no matter where they are. So kani siya, dako gani siya katabang para sa mga goal na mga teams, especially natin sa tuwing manginahanglan mag-communicate. And next, we have the cloud computing. Services like Google Drive and Dropbox let users store and share files securely online. So, especially those na mag-need sa mga kana mag-share of files or mag-store of data online. So, and the next one is data analysis tools. Programs like Tableau and Microsoft Excel helps visualize data, trends, and supports informed decision making. So, kani siya na tools is used for visualization, kana maghimo ka og mga like mga table contents, mga inana, para ma-enhance imuhang tools og effective imuhang visualization. So, let's move on to the next. We have automation tools. Software such as Zapier and Aphic automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing mistakes. So, this is a tool for kanang mistake mo help siya kung naa kay mistakes. So, it covers up your mistakes and correct them. And so, now that we done tackling all the questions, so let us proceed to the quiz. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So let us proceed to the quiz. So this quiz is true or false. You answer either true or false. So the first question number 1. Is collaboration software helps teams talk to each other instantly? So, do you have any questions before I end this video? Yes or no? Okay, good. So, I'm glad that you understand well my lesson. Have a nice day and goodbye.